Hi everyone. Today I will demonstrate you how we can create the chat conversation with Agentforce capabilities using LWC. Okay, so as you can see here, this is nothing but the AI chat conversation like ChatGPT or any chat platforms. Here is this is using the LWC customizations using Agentforce capabilities. So here we can type hi and send a message. So okay, so let type what is my previous prompt, okay, and a question mark. So okay, as you can see here, it return the hi. So basically it can hold my previous prompt or conversation and return me my previous prompt, nothing but it will be 100% conversation with my previous and latest prompt. So in my last video, I generate the text as you can see here. As you can go through my the previous, it will be generate the text as per my email. But if I uh, let's copy this prompt and paste this prompt here and tell me generating this prompt. So as you can see here, the response, I'm sorry, I do not have ability to the assess previous prompt or conversations. How I can assist you today? So it is unable to hold my previous prompt. That's why this will be only the single prompt conversation. Not hold it will be not hold my prompt. And but when talking about this conversation customization uh, model, so it will be hold my conversation, and whatever I provide in my input it show other conversations with like ChatGPT. So let understand what I use in my Apex to implement this type of model. So let's firstly go through my Apex class. So in this class there is predefined class with chat messages, and this chat messages will be hold my chats. And in second, model API, so this AI platform is initializing the API class and then preparing the request and body object. So these two body objects will be I used for generation the text and request for the body. So and then I mention the specify models. This models is uh, used in Agentforce whenever we have to integrating with the Agentforce using integration part. So these all the things we have to mention, and using this model API class we can accessible for these models. And the holding my message is using this message list. So this message list can be using the AI platform model API chat request. It will be hold my all prompts and written in my body. So if my messages as input messages created, if this will be handle messages will be null, or it show view me in my body. And then under the try and catch, if any of the messages will be responding or give me the 200 success message, so it will be give me the response, otherwise it should be null, and in my response it show no content generated as. So this is all about the Apex class, and let's go through the LWC component with the HTML. So in HTML, the basic things will be under div tag, the scrollable window, nothing but if there is some things where number of fonts will be increasing. So the in this under my div, it will be scrollable my body. That's why the div tag will be scrollable. And under the template, using this the UI part, as you can see here. So this will be used by in JS. So I imported the Apex class and method. Using this, I handle the input, and I using the chat container for render callback, and handle the send messages button using this specific syntax. And for the messages, to hold my arrays and showing the loading indicators, I use this syntax. For, as you can see here, whenever I typing the messages like hi, and it's showing this type of thing. So this all things I holding this and using CSS as well. And this all the things I used. You go through the code. If you have any doubts, please feel to comment in below, and feel to reach out to me. Yeah, thanks for today's for watching my video. And to summarize that, this Apex class will be generating the chat responses using the AI models, and it processes the input as my format and require AI capabilities, which having some creating the interactive application in Salesforce. Thank you for the watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in my comment below. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks.